Hello everyone, welcome to English Daily Lesson. In this video, you will learn 25 English sentences you can use with your friends in daily conversation. Let's start. Hello bro, how are you? Hello bro, how are you? Meaning, a greeting to ask your friend how he is. Sentence, hello bro, how are you today? I am good, what about you? I am good, what about you? Meaning, telling that you are fine and asking about your friend. Sentence, I am good, what about you? Where are you going? Where are you going? Meaning, asking your friend about his destination. Sentence, where are you going now? What are you doing now? What are you doing now? Meaning, asking what your friend is doing. Sentence, what are you doing now? Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Meaning, suggesting to go outside together. Sentence, let's go outside for a walk. Do you want tea or coffee? Do you want tea or coffee? Meaning, asking your friend what drink he wants. Sentence, do you want tea or coffee? Are you free today? Are you free today? Meaning, asking if your friend has free time today. Sentence, are you free today? What is your plan today? What is your plan today? Meaning, asking about your friend's plan. Sentence, what is your plan today? Let's play a game. Let's play a game. Meaning, suggesting to play a game together. Sentence, let's play a game now. Call me later. Call me later. Meaning, asking your friend to call you later. Sentence, call me later in the evening. Wait for me. Wait for me. Meaning, asking your friend to wait. Sentence, wait for me here. Sit here. Sit here. Meaning, asking your friend to sit. Sentence, sit here with me. Stand here. Stand here. Meaning, asking your friend to stand in a place. Sentence, stand here for a moment. Listen to me. Listen to me. Meaning, asking your friend to listen carefully. Sentence, listen to me please. Look at this. Look at this. Meaning, asking your friend to see something. Sentence, look at this picture. Give me that. Give me that. Meaning, asking your friend to give something. Sentence, give me that book. Take this. Take this. Meaning, asking your friend to take something. Sentence, take this pen. Open the door. Open the door. Meaning, asking your friend to open something. Sentence, open the door please. Close the window. Close the window. Meaning, asking your friend to close something. Sentence, close the window. Help me please. Help me please. Meaning, asking your friend for help. Sentence, help me please with this work. Don't worry. Don't worry. Meaning, telling your friend to stay calm. Sentence, don't worry, everything is fine. Be careful. Be careful. Meaning, telling your friend to be cautious. Sentence, be careful while driving. Let's meet tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow. Meaning, suggesting to meet the next day. Sentence, let's meet tomorrow evening. Take care my friend. Take care my friend. Meaning, wishing your friend well. Sentence, take care my friend. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more videos.